Hello children, welcome to GK session. Today's topic is germs and daily usage things. Germs and daily usage things. Do you know what are germs? Germs are tiny organisms. Okay. Germs are so tiny. You need a microscope to see them. Germs spread easily through the air. Okay. Do you know what will happen if germs go into our body? We will get cough, cold, fever, dysentery, food poison. Okay, children? There are three parts that we touch with our hands: our eyes, nose, and mouth. These three parts of the body are the main way germs get into our body. So, avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth. Okay, before touching, you should wash your hands with hand wash or liquid. While sneezing or coughing, cover your mouth with a hanky or a tissue. You must wash your hands often. Keep your hands clean, okay? So that germs do not enter our body. You should take a shower after you go out and play. Wash the fruits and vegetables with lemon water and salt. These are the steps should be taken to prevent from the virus or bacteria. Keep 6 feet distance. Okay, children? Don't stand closer. Let's do the book activity in page number 9. Okay, children? Tick yes or no. Have you seen a cockroach? Yes. Everybody might have seen, right? Have you seen a mosquito? Yes. Have you seen germs? Can we see germs, children? No, we cannot see the germs. We can see through microscope or lens, right? Okay. What are germs? They are small. We can't see them. They make us sick. Germs live everywhere around you, like pencil, see, bathroom doors, computer keyboard and mouse, sports items, art supplies, bags, lunch bags. Okay. What are the diseases we can get? What are the diseases caused by germs? Food poison, cold, dysentery, fever. So, always you must wash your hands with hand wash liquid or soap. Okay, children? How do germs spread? Look at the pictures. He is Arun. Okay, Arun is sneezing. He didn't cover his nose. Okay, so what will happen? He touches the door handle and he spreads germs. Next, Varun. Varun touches the same door handle. What will happen? Varun catches cold. So, stay away to avoid catching cold from others. Okay, children? Stay safe, stay healthy. You must follow this healthy habits, do this book exercise and send to me. Bye bye.